Are you curious if you're practicing the most effective way? In this video, I'll describe the best way to practice effectively for maximum improvement backed by science. Let's first talk about what improvement actually is. Dr. Huberman, a neuroscientist and tenured professor at Stanford School of Medicine, talked about how we improve from practice, and in simplest form, improvement from practice is the difference in correctly correlated dopamine levels. What does this mean? Dopamine is basically a neurotransmitter that induces motivation, reward, and pleasure. So when we successfully land a trick, our dopamine levels spike, but when we fail at a trick, they are unaffected. Our subconscious mind picks up on this and reinforces the correct way of doing it and replaces the bad way. So basically, the greater the difference, the faster you will improve, or the more you enjoy and find satisfaction in landing the trick while feeling disappointed and annoyed at dropping, the faster you will improve. This also means if your levels are too high to begin with, your improvement will be far less than someone with much lower base levels of dopamine. This isn't to say that everyone should go and make themselves depressed now to improve quickly, but those that increase their dopamine while practicing, such as by music or medication, will not improve as quickly as those with normal base levels. Another thing that can help with improvement is acknowledging why you failed when you did. If you just pick up the pen and don't think much about it, your subconscious brain will not have any reason to correct the issue. If you, however, force yourself to be mentally aware of why you failed and how you should do it instead, you will feel dissatisfied and be less likely to make the same mistake again. Also, if you force yourself to direct your vision to a single area of precision, your focus will improve. I've noticed my ability to land harder things and continuous tricks for longer when I laser focus my vision on the center point. It's scientifically proven that if you focus your vision, just your vision, on one pinpoint object, your overall focus will improve. Now that we know about focus and dopamine levels, let's look at how much you should be failing. Studies have shown that the most optimal percentage of success rate when practicing is 85%. This means you're failing the trick or link or whatever you're doing about 15% of the time. Obviously, these numbers could be different person to person, but on average 85 to 15 is the desired amount for the most efficient improvement. After you've finished your practice session, the most important thing you can do is nothing. It's scientifically proven that if you do nothing right after practicing, your brain uses this time to rehearse what you did to further consolidate better learning. The best thing you can do immediately after practicing is sleeping or meditation, but even just taking a quick breather, letting your mind do its thing, can have benefits. If you have anything you want me to cover in a future video, let me know and feel free to check out my other videos too. Thanks for watching. See you next time.